Good afternoon. I will be going over my Tableau project for measuring the company statistics, and I had a little bit of trouble figuring out the dashboard and how to get it to interact. But if we go to sheet, we can just start looking at what we have here. So starting with the asset turnover, we'd see that the company Baldwin had the most, and going down the list to Garrett. And for return on assets, which is considered to be more important than return on equity, the main differentiator between the two is that the ROA takes into account leverage and debt, while ROE doesn't. So we can see that we had Baldwin on the top here with 1500 or 1.5 ROA. And moving to asset turnover, let's see that Baldwin again had the highest asset turnover with 9.2. And this metric helps investors understand how effectively the companies are using their assets. So it does make sense that we see a similar order here compared to the ROA. An additional point to make is I found the most information that ran parallel with each other was the companies with high asset turnover also perform similarly in the profit. So with Baldwin at the top and Garrett towards the bottom, and it kind of works together like that. And lastly, looking at this profit, we can see that there's a similar trend with the way profits are going, as well as earnings before interest and taxes.